Hi, today let's make super tasty sweet corn raw mango salad. Here I've taken sweet corn boiled, cucumber, onions and raw mango. Chop it into small pieces like this and transfer all of the ingredients into a mixing bowl like this. That's it. Now you need to season it with some salt. Next I'm adding in some chili powder. Next I'm squeezing in some lemon juice. I'm adding in some coriander leaves as well, and then that's it. Mix it all up beautifully. See to that every veggie is beautifully coated with the simple seasoning. You can play around with the seasonings. You can add in honey, olive oil, pepper if you want. Even the veggies, if you want, you can add in capsicum, any other veggies of your choice, and carrots as well. Transfer it to a serving bowl and your tasty sweet corn and mango salad is ready to serve. Very simple recipe, very easy recipe. All the masalas, all the seasonings, everything is easily available in your kitchen shelf. Try this if you're on a diet goal or if you want to have something crunchy, simple, yet soothing. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback on the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.